If you're experiencing login failures on ShipEngine, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it might be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to ShipEngine's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login failures on ShipEngine. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.